In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you use the AOL Mail app. Welcome back to a new video on Havgenic. In order for you to use the AOL Mail app, you need to first of all download it and make sure you log into your account. Now once you log in and open up the interface, in order for you to basically compose, you need to tap on the inbox section on the bottom left, and then from here you'll be able to see all of your incoming mail, and you'll be able to compose new emails by tapping on this pencil icon. This way the composer will open up where you can add in your information and then tap on send on the top right. Now apart from this, there are other settings as well. If you tap on the profile icon on the top left, you can see a bunch of options such as managing your accounts if you have multiple accounts logged in. If you tap on the mail folders option, you can see all of the folders that are inbuilt or the folders that you may have created. Also, you can see the contacts section, so all of the contacts that you have imported inside of your account. And as well as if you head over to the settings option, there are a few other settings that you can manage, such as if you scroll down, you can set up signatures for your AOL mail. You can tap on this option and then add in your signature. You can also turn on the undo send feature. So whenever you send an email, the AOL mail allows you to undo the send if there were any corrections to be made. Those are the basic settings that you can use, or the basic interface that you can use in order for you to send and receive mails inside of the AOL Mail app. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.